Barrier Methods of Contraception by KayScience.com. And the first contraceptive we're going to talk about is the pill. So the female will take one pill per day for 21 days. Then she'll take a placebo without the hormones for 7 days so she can menstruate. So for those 21 days, she is taking the hormonal pill. And for the rest of the 7 days, she needs to be able to menstruate so she comes off the pill. Taken properly, this method of contraception is 99% effective in preventing pregnancies. The pill will prevent a pregnancy. However, it does not prevent sexually transmitted infection transmission. It will not prevent you from getting or transmitting STIs because bodily fluids are still exchanged during sex. The male condom is a barrier method of contraception. It is not placed over a flaccid penis. It is not placed over a flaccid penis. For a condom to be effective, it needs to be placed over an erect penis. It needs to be placed over an erect penis. The red pen shows the semen that is being ejaculated from the penis into the condom. So as you can see here, the condom forms a barrier. So when the man ejaculates, it forms a barrier. This prevents STI transmission because there is no exchange of bodily fluids, and it prevents pregnancy because the sperm does not enter the vagina and then uterus of the female. When a male and female have sex without a condom and the male ejaculates into the vagina, the sperm will then move towards the egg in the uterus and oviduct. This can lead to a pregnancy. And it can also lead to a transmission of STIs from the male to the female or from the female to the male, as there is an exchange of bodily fluids. So the green represents the condom, which is placed over an erect penis. This forms a barrier between the male and the female. So when the male ejaculates, sperm doesn't enter the vagina and there is no STI transmission or pregnancy. When used properly, a condom has a 98% success rate. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The cervix is tissue that separates the uterus from the vagina. And a diaphragm, also known as a cervical cap or a cap, is placed over the cervix. So it's a barrier method of contraception. So if a male and a female have sex without the male wearing a condom, the male, as seen here, can still ejaculate into the vagina. However, the sperm will not enter from the vagina into the uterus, so it prevents pregnancy. So remember, sperm stays in the vagina, so it cannot fertilize the egg. Remember, using a diaphragm or cap can prevent a pregnancy, but you can still transmit STIs as fluids are exchanged from the male to the female and from the female to the male. It has a 92 to 96% success rate for preventing pregnancies, which is lower than the others. Spermicide kills sperm, so it can be placed on the condom or the diaphragm to increase its success rate because it will kill sperm. Spermicide has a 70 to 80% success rate if used alone. It is very low and should not be used by itself. You can place a spermicide over the penis or inside the condom. This will then kill the sperm that is ejaculated into the condom. This increases the success rate of using the condom. This is because sperm dies if spermicide is used in the condom. You can increase the success rate of using a diaphragm or cervical cap by covering it with spermicide. The spermicide again will kill the sperm that is ejaculated into the female and that touches the spermicide that covers the diaphragm or cap. So remember, the spermicide kills the ejaculated sperm cells. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.